What is up, YouTube? Aloha! It is a beautiful day. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your fidget spinner spin faster. That is such a tongue twister. Try to say that. It's really hard. But anyways, if you're a skater and you're watching this, I know you're probably thinking like, oh my gosh, she's doing another fidget spinner video. But this is actually really important for you too, because it's all about the bearings. Like, you want your bearings to be super fast, and this magical speed cream, where did it go? I have to find it. Okay, so here it is. This magical speed cream is the answers to all of our problems in life. This right here. This is where it's at. You can see that I've used this quite a bit. It's got some stains on it, but this is the best way to make your fidget spinner spin faster. It's the best way to keep your bearings nice and lubricated. And for those of you that don't know, skateboard bearings are actually what the main component is in fidget spinners. So if you have a fidget spinner, you're using skate bearings, and this is the best lubricant for your fidget spinners and skate bearings to make them go as fast as humanly possible. So I'm going to show you what the speed cream looks like online. It's made by Bones Bearings, best bearings ever, and I'm going to read you the description. So Bones Speed Cream is a high temperature, low viscosity, synthetic skate lubricant. You know what, you can read this yourself. Basically the last line is the most important. So it's superior to the Teflon based lubricants. So that's basically like anything you could buy at, you know, like WD-40, all of that stuff. Like, this is better than that. And it makes your bearings faster and very long lasting. So that's the main point. This stuff makes your bearings spin faster. So you don't want to get this in your eyes. You want to use parent supervision if you're a tiny child doing this. And this stuff is really potent, so a little goes a long way. It's just like an eyedropper. It's really staining as well. You can see how yellow it is. So what you want to do first is clean your skate bearings. If you're too lazy to do that, then just go ahead and drop it right on. What you're going to do is take your skate bearing, put a drop on both sides, and spin it around a bunch, and then it'll be somewhat lubricated. The way you're supposed to do it is you're supposed to pop off the bearing cap with a razor blade, clean out the bearings with this cleaner kit. I'll put the link in the description. Hold on one second. So on the Bones Bearings website, there is the cleaning instructions and the cleaning unit for your bearings. So this bottle right here is how you're gonna clean your bearings, and then you're gonna put the speed cream in it if you wanna do it right. What I do, because I don't really wanna do that, is I just, you know, put a drop over here, put a drop over here, spin it a bunch, and see if that works. If your bearing is really like old and rusty, then you definitely have to go this route, because the cleaner your bearing is, and then you put the lubrication, that's when it'll go the fastest. And this is the best way to get the longest life out of your bearings. So I'm gonna put the link to both of these products, this product and this product, in the description if you want to take a look at it on Amazon and see what it costs. I'm not sure how much this costs. I think this is like $5 or $7, so it's really not that much, and there's probably like 300 drops in here, so you'll definitely get a lot of use out of it. I've had this probably for like 4 years already, so it's definitely held up. So thanks so much for watching, and go get yourself some speed cream so you can make your fidget spinner faster. Boop.
I'd like to be under the sea.